Yeah, I'm Lance T. Vance, baby. T for tulips in Thailand. Great. Yeah, look, I gotta go. Later.
So, who was that?
Oh, bro, that's just the accountant. He's getting us a better rate at cleaning the money.
And you call the accountant baby?
Well, yeah, I'm a friendly guy. And baby is slang, you know. I don't love him. I ain't like that.
Yeah, hey, whatever you say.
Anyway, we got real things to worry about. Someone's been helping themselves to the stash. The Mendezes are freaking out, and I told them we'd take care of it.
It's the last thing I need on top of everything else.
What are you talking about? What's wrong?
Man, it's just Louise. I really thought we had something, but we just don't get to see each other.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, you know, relationships can be tough. Believe me, I know. Uh-huh. Yep. Hey, come on, man. We got some fees to deal with. And you could take out your sexual frustrations on them. Hey, come on. Let's pop.
Yeah.
You know I love you, bro. All right.
So who's been stealing the yayo?
What? Oh, yeah, it's the bikers.
You sure?
Yeah, of course I am.
You don't look it.
Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to prove it to you. You do the flying, I'll do the frying. Come on, let's take it to 'em. I can see a bunch of those ugly mothers down there. Take us in closer, I'm gonna pop a few heads. That's it! Run, you sissy boys! I'm so good, I'm back!
This is the Wave 103, bringing the hottest music.
Bringing you the newest music, a revolution in pop. It's synthesizer music from the future of entertainment.
Please, madam, don't interrupt me. In auditory ecstasy. Howard Jones.
I love that track.
I have the import of that record in a hermetically sealed chamber in my condo basement. The Cure, a forest. Androgyny has its benefits. Go.
The pimp on the move. This might sting a little. Freeze, Pinhead. Oh yeah, it's loaded. Sure it's a gun. Hey, Skip. You are now about to die. Goodbye. Yep, I'm gonna shoot you. No more complaining for you. Another dead cunt. Oh! Oh! Lance, are you there?
Hey, Vic! Look what I found!
You're alive! I thought you were dead.
No, man! I landed on a few soft bikers! Now I got me a new bike! Yeah!
Never mind that. Where's the stolen coke?
Yeah! They probably sold it already, the bastards! I'll see you later, bro.
I don't even know why I bother sometimes.
Came around and I said that you can't hurt me. Hey, no, I'll always want to say, you know, in your heart, I'm the best for you.
Gang war intensifies on Vice City streets as many members of the biker gang were viciously slain in downtown today. Initially, police believed the killings to be drug-related. However, forensics have found no evidence of narcotics at the crime scene and can only conclude that the motive was purely inter-gang rivalry. CNN, ringing lies from the scrawny neck of truth.
Just because she
don't believe that.
God, that is boring, terrible. I'm a hack. Oh, conventional drivel.
Rennie, you got some contacts for me?
Darling, do serious purchases of enormous quantities of uncut cocaine grow on trees? Maybe in your town, but not in mine.
Okay, then why do you keep calling me over here? Look, I'm in this to make money for my brother. I don't have time to waste.
Darling, that is beautiful. One day, I will make a film like that. Two brothers. One is a dog, the other a librarian. Love blossoms between a man and a pig. Three swans die. The end. Genius!
Whatever you say, but in the meantime, I've got a business to run. I've got to make some money.
But darling, wait. If it's money you need, maybe you can breathe some life into this bloody fucking mess. Somebody burn the script. Let's make art, people!
All because she can't get enough.